May batas eh. May batas. Ito na yung sinasite niyang batas. If you do not have personal knowledge, therefore you should not be a witness.
Well, yun lang po yung knowledge natin.
You're a lawyer, correct?
Tama po, 29
Ayan, yan na. Pagyayabang niya pa.
years.
29 years. Can you recall
29
Rule
years.
130, Section 22 of the Rules of Evidence?
Can you refresh me, sir?
Okay, I will
Because you have a
gladly
copy.
refresh you, of course. I have here a copy of Rule 130, Section 22 of the Rules of Evidence, and I'll read it. Please read with me, Direct.
Kala niyo nakalamang siya. Ganito kahina ang utak ni Matibag dahil sa sobrang yabang niya. Sa sobrang yabang niya, akala niya nakalamang siya na, 29. Doon tinanong siya nung rules, can you refresh me? Ikaw may hawak niyan eh. Eto ngayon, yung rule na yon, Section 22.
Mr. Matibag. Testimony confined to personal knowledge. A witness can testify only to those facts which he or she knows of his or her personal knowledge, that is, which are derived from his or her own perception. Can you recall that rule now?
Ayan po, nababasa ko po.
Okay, you
Tama
can
po.
read.
Bakit? Ang galing ng abogado eh. Bakit? Sabi niya, may personal knowledge ka ba dito sa mga affidavit? May personal knowledge ka ba dito sa interview? Lahat wala. Sagot niya lahat wala ah. Akala niya, hindi naman kasi ako director noon. Hindi naman niya pwede kasi sabihin, oo, may personal knowledge ako kasi director na ako. Hindi nga siya director noon. So wala kang personal knowledge dyan. Are you a lawyer? Oo. 29 years ako lawyer, ah? Magaling ako. Do you know this article? Nandyan na sa harap mo, bakibasa na lang, ikaw na lang magbasa. Nandyan, a witness, ayan, ay, lalakihan natin, hindi ko rin mabasa eh. Buti pa, ayan. A witness can testify, ano daw? Only, when you say only, only you. Di ba pag sinabi mong only, kunwari, tinanong ka ng asawa mo, do you love me? Of course I love you. Only me? Of course only you. Pag sinabi mong only you, pwede ka ba magkaroon ng kabit? Pwede ka ba magkaroon ng iba pang mahal? Di ba only, ibig sabihin, ikaw lang? Wala nang iba? Ikaw lang. Pagka ikaw nanumpa, mamahalin kita, only you and nothing but you. Pwede ka magkaroon ng side chick? Pwede ba? At magmahal ka ng iba? Hindi. Kasi nga, only you. Di ba? Ayan. Ano sabi dito? A witness can testify only. Yun lang. To those facts which he or she knows of his or her personal knowledge. That is which are derived from her own perception. Dapat dito, after nito, sinabi niya na, since you said you do not have personal knowledge, go down to your seat. Get the fuck out of here. Ganun sana sinabi mo, defense lawyer. Hindi kasi tama naman lahat. Wala siyang alam. Wala siyang personal knowledge dun sa mga pangyayari. Tama naman din kasi, wala naman talaga siyang alam dahil siya ay hindi pa po director noon. So, hindi mo alam ang buong konteksto. During the investigation, hindi ikaw ang director. So, wala kang alam. Tapos ngayon, magte-testify ka? Hindi pwede yun.
Alright, so based on this rule, will you agree with me that a witness can only testify based on his personal knowledge?
Your Honor, may I comment to that?
These are basic questions, Your Honor. The witness is a lawyer. He is competent enough to answer.
Counsel, are you making an objection?
This is a comment, Your Honor. The witness
ano ba
repeatedly
talaga comment,
testified that he was appointed only in February 2026 and that all his testimonies pertaining to the first investigation are based on records, Your Honor. And this is allowed. As a matter of fact, under the rules, entries in official records are considered as prima facie evidence of the contents thereof. And thus, it's exactly the basis of the witness in answering the question of the defense. All his knowledge pertaining to the first investigation are based on records.
Short rejoinder, Your Honor.
No need, counsel. Distinguished lead prosecutor, the counsel for respondent did not object to the line of questioning of the lead prosecutor earlier, based exactly on the ground cited by the lead prosecutor. The presiding officer will give sufficient leeway to the counsel for respondent to establish his point. I think you also see what he is trying to establish. That's why he made a continuing objection in relation to it. I'll give you some leeway, counsel, but go to your next topic as soon as you're done with this.
Thank you, Your Honor. So, again, based on this rule, a witness can only testify based on his personal knowledge, correct?
Tama po, pero meron pong mga exceptions sa rule na
Alright,
yan.
okay. If not based on personal knowledge, then that is hearsay, correct?
But it's not an absolute rule po dahil may exceptions nga po.
Okay, now, I'm trying to look for the Filipino term for hearsay. Ano ba yung hearsay sa Tagalog? Sabi-sabi or chismis? Is that a fair translation? What is a fair translation to you of hearsay?
Talagang dinikdik pa nitong abogado. Ano ba Tagalog ng hearsay? Chismis o sabi-sabi? Grabe, durog na durog dito si Matibag.
Your Honor, the question of the defense is misleading. He never testified that that is hearsay.
No, I'm not
As a
asking
matter
him.
of fact, he's trying to raise the exception to hearsay.
I'm not asking about the exceptions of hearsay. I'm asking
Ano
a
ba ang-
translation of hearsay. Your
May
Honor.
we know-
Anyway, I'll move on to...
If the witness
If the
knows, if he does not know, he may say so.
Hindi ko po alam kung anong translation dito sa Tagalog.
Okay, so I'll just use my own translation, chismis. Anyway, at any rate, kung wala kang personal knowledge,
Kawawa naman si Matibag, oo. Ano pahiya na pahiya na siya dyan Sabi ko, shit, dapat di ko sinagot yun. Hindi naman pwede, di ba? Kailangan niya sagutin. So, pahiya siya.
chismis lang yun, tama?
Hindi ko naman po naririnig sa korte. Ako yung nag-practice din, kahit di translate sa Tagalog. Kahit minsan ko po, hindi ko po narinig ng hearsay ginamit ang salitang chismis.
Alright, I'll move on. Now, the main material that the NBI used in its investigation was the video of the November 23, 2024 press con, correct?
Tama po.
Did you watch that whole video yourself?
Napanood ko po.
The whole video?
Well, yung pong importanteng bagay dyan ang aking tinutukan pero napanood ko po.
Alright. Now, let me ask you, do you confirm that in that virtual press con, VP Sara spoke about a lot of topics?
Tama po.
Alright, I'll show you a portion of that video and then I'll ask questions thereafter. Now, Your Honor, we beg the indulgence of this honorable court. Again, this video is a little lengthy, but we will only show one video, Your Honor.
Counsel may proceed.
Pagkain ninyo, buffet, yan, ito, sa House of Representatives. Alak, at
Grabe
mamahaling
naman
wine.
yan. Sino ba yung maingay na yan? Parang zombie. Grabe yung ingay mo, Matibag, ha? Paano kayo pag natulog to, no?
Yan. Yung taong bayan na prinamisan ninyo, 20 pesos rice. Yung taong bayan na hindi ninyo pinupuntahan sa mga komunidad nila, ano sabi nila? Ganyan, ang bayan natin.
Nakatulog na ba? Nakatulog na ba si Matibag? Grabing hilik yan, ha?
Okay na lang kami sa asin. Sa kung ka nakahanap, bayan, na ang tao, because of their hopelessness, because there is no functioning corporate, okay na lang sa asin. lang
Grabe.
abogado si Attorney Lopez eh. Kasi alam niya kung ano sasabihin niya doon sa mga
Your Honor, it appears that we're having technical difficulties. Can we just
Yes,
replay that part, Your Honor?
Nakawin mo yung cellphone. Sasabihin mo,
Your Honor, may I make a manifestation first?
Can the tech kindly pause and rewind a bit with respect to the portion? Just a bit.
Your Honor, this is part of the question, Your Honor. Can we ask that the manifestation be made after the playing of this video and the asking of the appropriate question?
Your Honor, the manifestation concerns the very video that they are presenting.
We're already playing it, lead counsel. We will recognize you after the video is played. Kindly proceed with the playing of the video.
ng cellphone. Saan ka nakahanap? Papasok ka, nanakawin mo yung cellphone, dadalhin mo pa yung tao. Diba? Princess, you're raising your hand.
Hello? Naririnig po ba ako, Princess Maui?
Yes.
Oh, thank you. Good morning po, Madam Vice President. Thank you so much nga po pala sa dala niyong hopya nung hearing na pumunta kayo for PRRD. Kami yung nasa likod niyo po, yung tinawag nilang bastos kasi pumalak pa kami because of Congresswoman Cardema. Thank you, ma'am. Nakakain kami. Ako po ay natatakot kumain ng pagkain doon baka mamaya. Ma'am, mag-iingat po kayo. Nasa teritoryo kayo ng kalaban.
Okay lang
Nag-aalala po kami para.
ma'am, kasi sila naman sila talaga yung bastos eh. You read
Opo,
what you
okay.
talk.
Yeah. Mag-iingat po kayo kasi sa dinami-rami po ng inyong mga pasabog ngayong gabi, it seems like marami po talaga kayong alam about them, no? Dahil sa pagkakasama niyo sa kanila during the campaign and during the 2022 elections. Baka po mamaya kasi totoo yung mga naririnig namin, o yung, I don't know if it's true, na meron daw silang Operation Romanovs and baka bala kayong ubusin ang inyong pamilya dahil hadlang kayo sa kanilang mga balak in the future. So, mag-ingat po kayo. Kami po kasi kami ng EDSA Friday Through, kami yung bumababa every Friday dyan sa EDSA because we believe yan yung tamang venue sa dinami-rami na ng problema natin. Ang kaya lang naman po namin gawin ay manawagan na bumaba na yan. Eh ano po kayo ang remedy naman ninyong mga nasa posisyon o ng mga kayang labanan itong napakarami na pong ginagawang korupsyon at krimen laban sa taong bayan? Ano po ang pwede nyo maging remedy para matapos na ito? Lalo't nagsisigaw na po ang taong bayan na mag-people power.
Yes. Huwag kang mag-alala, ma'am, sa security ko. Kasi may kinausap na ako na tao. Ito sa kanya, kapag pinatay ako, patayin mo si DBM, si Lisa Araneta, at si Martin Romualdez. No joke. No joke. Nagbilin na ako, ma'am. Pag namatay ako, sabi ko, huwag ka tumigil na. Kung hindi mo mapatay sila. And then he said yes. So, alam mo ma'am, yan ang lagi kong sinasabi sa mga kabayan lang. Ang laban, wala dyan sa EDSA ma'am. Wala dyan sa mga highway. Ang laban ma'am nandun sa loob ng palasyo. Yan ang problema.
Grabe, lakas ng
We
hilig ka.
appreciate yung expression ninyo ng disgust, ng pagkamuhi, ng hopelessness, kasi it reflects kung ano yung nararamdaman ng marami, milyon. Alam ko yan, ma'am, kasi kahit saan ako pumunta, ako ang binoto namin yan dahil sinabi mo, iboto namin. So, yes, ma'am. Maraming salamat sa ginagawa ninyo. Dahil sa ginagawa ninyo, I'm sure nakikita yan ng taong bayan. Ina-appreciate nila yan. Marami sa ating mga kababayan ang gusto sumali sa inyo. Pero sa sobrang hirap ng buhay ngayon, hindi nila maiwanan yung mga trabaho nila at hanap buhay nila para pumunta sa daan. Bakit sila naghihirap? Bakit? Dahil sa gobyerno. Hindi ba dapat yung gobyerno natin na nagpapagaan ng buhay ng tao? Bakit ang gobyerno natin ang nagpapahirap lalo sa tao? Kasi gusto ba nila lagi na lang mahirap ang mga tao para madali mapasunod? May mga lugar kami sa Mindanao na ganyan ang mga politiko. Gusto nila mahirap lahat. Bahugan lang nila ang kwarta. Governor na sila, mayor na sila, congressman na sila. Hanapin niyo, ma'am, yung mga lugar na sobrang hirap sa Mindanao. Tingnan niyo anong gawain ng politiko. Pinapakain lang ng pera ng tao. Pinabastos yung kanilang pagkatao. Dahil wala silang pakialam.
All right. For the benefit of this court, that is timestamp 1-12, 1:12:43 onwards of the video recording with accompanying transcript.
With the
This is
permission of the counsel for respondent, the lead prosecutor is recognized for her manifestation.
Your Honor, I wish to manifest that the video which was played is unmarked and spliced video, Your Honor.
Pero pag sila nag-play, ano? Gago talaga eh. Pag sila nag-play, okay lang. Pero pagka ito i-object, yung play na yan, galing din naman sa inyo sa USB yan.
This is for the record.
The counsel for respondent just mentioned the timestamp and the marking as well. Counsel for the respondent may proceed.
All right. Now, Director
Kaya ka
Matibag,
na
these are
naman.
my questions about the statements of VP Sara in that video. Do you have personal knowledge of the theft incident involving Attorney Lopez's cell phone?
Wala po.
Wala. Do you have personal knowledge on the buffet in the House of Representatives?
Wala po.
Wala. Do you have personal knowledge on the communities na asin lang ang kinakain?
Wala po.
Alright. Do you have personal knowledge on the person whom VP Sara talked to regarding BBM, FL, and the former speaker?
Wala po dahil
Wala.
siya nakipag-usap.
Alright. Okay.
Wala naman pala lahat eh.
Thank you for that. So, now, you mentioned that you watched the whole video. My question to you is, did the NBI conduct any separate investigation regarding the various acts of corruption alleged acts of corruption of BBM, FL, the former speaker, and the congressman as mentioned by VP Sara?
Marami pong iniulat sa akin na mag-investigasyon, subalit hindi naman po kasi binanggit doon sa video sino ang mga particular na kailangang imbestigahan. Kaya naman po yung investigasyon na ginagawa ngayon ng NBI, maaaring tumutukoy na po sa mga taong binabanggit po.
Right, but as NBI director now, you have the authority to investigate alleged cases of corruption, correct?
Tama po yun.
All right. In fact, you came out in the news recently stating that you will investigate the 2019 SEA Games, correct?
Tama po.
All right. And the 2019 SEA Games came prior to this 2024 press con, correct?
Tama po.
Okay. Do you intend, my next question is this, do you also intend to investigate the alleged corruption involving the unaudited confidential funds of the OP, Office of the President, also mentioned by VP Sara?
Kung meron po mga ebidensyang ilalatag sa amin para amin pong sundan, hindi po magdadalawang isip ang NBI sapagkat ito po ang mandato ng NBI.
Alright, thank you for
Mag-imbestiga ng mga krimen po, amin pong nakikita.
Alright, thank you for that answer. Now, do you also intend to investigate the alleged corruption involving the former speaker going around the country and giving government funds to people, also mentioned by VP Sara in that video?
Your Honor, may I comment, Your Honor?
What is the comment of the lead prosecutor?
We are objecting to that question, Your Honor, as the same is misleading.
Your Honor, if he knows, he said he watched the whole video, he listened to the statements. There was a statement there.
Witness may answer if he knows.
Well, kung meron po mga ebidensyang pumapasok tulad ng lahat ng aming ginagawa, we are driven by evidence and the process and the law na dapat pong sundin.
All right. Now, my next question is, your wife is also a member of the House of Representatives.
Nako,
That is
patay ka
correct po.
dyan.
And she is Representative Maria.
Your Honor, with all due respect.
This is cross, Your Honor. Maybe given leeway,
allow-
Your Honor.
Shut up! Daldal ng daldal to sila.
Allow the counsel to finish the question and then you may make your objection afterwards. Finish your question, counsel for the respondent.
She is Representative Maria Rene Ann Lourdes G. Matibag. correct?
Before
I
the witness
object, Your Honor.
answers, what is the objection of the lead prosecutor?
The questions, Your Honor, of the defense with regards to the wife of the witness is totally irrelevant.
Your Honor,
And that should not be allowed.
Your Honor, these are
the,
credibility testing questions, Your Honor,
the-
which is always relevant.
The objection is overruled. It tests the freedom from bias, if any, of the witness regarding his testimony, and the chair will
Nevertheless, Your
allow
Honor.
it. Witness may answer.
Your Honor, may I just enter
there
a
was already-
continuing objection on the line of questions pertaining to the wife of the witness, Your Honor.
So noted. Witness may answer.
Opo.
All right. Now, let me direct your attention to House Resolution number 989. This is also part of the records of this case, entitled Setting Forth the Articles of Impeachment Against Vice President Sara Z. Duterte. Permission to use a pointer, Your Honor. Now, it appears that from this document
Counsel may do so.
that your wife is one of the endorsers
Yan!
of this House resolution. Can you confirm that?
Yes.
Yari
there
ka.
is, sir.
It's there. Okay. Now, there's a signature page also. This document is not numbered, but it appears that it's around page 19. Can you confirm if this is your wife's signature?
I think I have no authority to confirm the signature even if she is my wife.
So you can confirm the signature of your NBI agent, but not your wife?
It's
Kaya niya i-confirm yung mga NBI agent niya pero yung pirma ng asawa niya, hindi. Grabe, no? Sasapukin ako ng asawa ko pag buti na lang wala ako asawa. Sasapukin ako pag ako, hindi, ito walang biro Alam niyo ba, isa sa mga una ko natutunan gawin? Gayahin ng pirma ng nanay at tatay ko. Okay, maigay Huwag niyo sasabihin, sana hindi niya mapanood to. Kaya kong gumawa ng excuse letter nung elementarya ako. Na pirmado nila. Tapos magka-cutting classes na ako. Kasi yan yung madalas mong, as a matter of fact, yan yung ginagaya mo pa nga di ba? Bilang bata, curious ka kung magagawa mo ba yung pirma ng nanay mo o tatay mo. Tapos tuturuan ka rin pumirma, ganyan. Tapos sasabihin mo, hindi mo alam yung pirma ng asawa mo. Hayop yan. Pero yung pirma ng mga ahente niya, alam niya.
appear to be her signature, but I have not confronted with the document so that I can compare it.
At any rate, Your Honor, may we allow?
With the NBI, it's different. I testified earlier that it was presented to me, and I asked him if he signed it, and I'm familiar to his signature because he's always making submission to my office.
All right. That's okay. At any rate, Your Honor, may we request, Your Honor, that we be allowed to submark this particular portion. Again, this is already
May we
part
request,
of the
Your
records.
Honor, that the witness be confronted first with the document, and
We
may
will
we
do that,
request
Your
as well that the assisting counsel for the prosecution be allowed to approach.
We will do
Assisting
that, Your
counsel
Honor.
for the respondent may please confront the witness with a document in the presence of assisting counsel for the prosecutor before counsel for respondent requests it to be marked. Witness will kindly look at the document and answer their question.
May I first manifest, Your Honor, that the photocopy, the document being presented to the witness is a photocopy.
Your Honor, if at all we we can agree that the court's copy be submarked, Your Honor. And we request, Your Honor, that the first page that we showed and this signature page around page 16 be submarked, even at later, Your Honor, before the clerk.
It shall be done at a later time. In the meantime, by the
Grabe,
oath of
hilig mo!
respective counsels, I believe we can rely on this copy, subject to confirmation in the marking of the actual copy that the court has.
And
Of the you're referring to the impeachment resolution on impeachment, right?
yes, Your Honor, but Your Honor, insofar as the identification of this witness, we are relying actually on the transmittal by the Committee on Justice, which was received by our office on May 11, 2026, Your Honor.
Not
So
by
it is-
my office, but by the Secretary General of the Senate. Kindly confront the witness with the document so that he may answer intelligently.
If you know only, Director
Your
Matibag.
Honor,
That is
respectfully,
the
if I may say something, if the court
Yes,
will allow me.
Director Matibag.
In order to save time and the questioning of the defense counsel, I think he's going to the position if my wife endorses the article of impeachment so that we save time and it's on record. It's a matter of public notice. Yes, my wife is one of the endorsers of the impeachment.
Duly noted. Counsel, move on.
All right, thank you for that admission, Director Matibag. And
Nakita nyo kung paano natibag si Matibag? Yeah. Una, wala siyang personal knowledge. Pero nagwi-witness siya sa something na crime. Pero wala kang personal knowledge. Yeah. Pinapa-impeach mo yung tao at ikaw yung isa sa witness pero wala kang alam. Wala kang kaalaman na personal. Pangalawa, ang pinapakita dito, kahit wala kang alam, ang motibo mo ay yung asawa mo mismo gusto i-impeach si VP Sara Duterte. So yun ang motibo mo sa pagwi-witness.
Kami ang boses ng masa, hindi natatakot. Katotohanan lang, di kami nalulunod. Walang bahid ng sismis, lahat ay totoo. Kahit sino ka pa, pag mali ka babanatan ka. Walang pinipili kulay, wala kaming kinikilingan. Basta para sa bayan, kami lalaban. Pagdama palakpakan, pag mali banatan, di matitinag, di matatakot. Para sa bayan, tuloy ang sigaw. Sa harap ng kamera, walang halong takot. Mga baluktot, lahat kayo'y tuwa.